Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to Dr. Case Academy. In this video, we'll talk about three commonly used modify commands. The first one is move command, the second one is copy, and the third one is rotate. So let's start the video. So let's come to the first command, which is move command. Move command is used when we have to shift one object from one place to another place without changing its direction, orientation, and size. So this is a move command that we have to check. So first of all, you have to check your, you have to select your object which you want to move from one place to another place. And the shortcut key for this is M. You have to type M or completely move, MOVE. You can see here this one as well in the command line. So now you have to press enter. You can see here. Now you have to specify base point. So I want to select this point. That should be my base point. So you have to click on it and move object from one place to another place. Let's say I want to place it here. You can see here. You can activate the move command from the interface as well. You can see here move. So you have to click on it and select object. You can see here. Now press enter. So you have to specify base point. So let for this my base point is this one. So you can see here and click on this point where you want to place it. So I want to place it here. You can see here. So it has been moved. Now we have to talk about copy. Copy is similar to move command, but in this copy command, a duplicate is created, which one we can move from one place to another place. That we have to come to the copy command. So you have to select an object which you want to copy from one place to another place. So now you have to type CO in the command line. You can see here and press enter. So here you have to specify base point for this as well. So let my base point is this one. So copy command is similar to move command, but in copy the duplicate of an object is created. So you can see here this is the duplicate, and I want to copy the duplicate of this one to here. You can see here. So this is copy command, and I can activate this from the interface as well. So you can see here it has shown copy. So you have to click on it and select object. I want to copy this object. Now this entire object, you can see here, and press enter. Click on enter. You can copy from one place to another place. A duplicate is created, so you can copy the duplicate from one place to another place. So you can see here. Now we discussed three type of selections in the previous video. So we can select our object and different techniques. So if you have not watched the video, then you can watch our previous video about how we can select object in AutoCAD or in how many methods we can select object in AutoCAD. So I want to select this method. So you can see here the subject is selected and other is not selected. So you can see here, and this method, I want to select this object in this method. If you don't watch, then you can watch our video as well. So now you have to uh, copy CO, enter for copy this. So you have to select a base point for this, and you can copy objects from one point to another point. So I want to delete this one. I can see here, click on delete. Now we have to discuss about rotate. Rotate command is used when we have to rotate one object with the reference of base point. So I want to rotate this object. So you have to select object and type RO in the command line. You can see here RO. So now you have to select the base point for this. So my base point is this one. You can see here, and click on and rotate. You can rotate this at any angle. So you can type at single as well. So I have to type angle is 90. So let's see its result. You can see here, and you can rotate according to your own choice. So now we have to check it from the interface. So click here and rotate. You can see here, and specify base point. So my base point is this one. So you can manually add angle, or you can also rotate this by your own choice. So I want to type manually angle for 180. You can see here our object has been rotated. So you can see here, in this video we discussed three types of commands in which we commonly used in AutoCAD. The first one is move command, and the second was as copy command, and the third one is a rotate command. If you have any question, then you can ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.